afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
In the panel here are the students that are just about to complete our Leadership Excellence Program. They've been around with us for the past 3 days. So we are going to pose some questions to each of them to tell us the whole essence of this program, what they have learned, what they intend to take back, and how the program has changed them. I would like to start with Mr. Temitope right on my left. Temitope is of the CSCS, that is the CSCS, the Center for Central Security System. Central Security System. Temitope, you have been at our Leadership Excellence Program for the past 3 days. What would you say is the essence of leadership?
Thank you very much, Mr. Paul. I first of all must say that it has been a very rewarding experience and gratifying. I learned a lot. For me, the essence of leadership is being a visionary and also being able to communicate clearly and in simple terms.
Thank you very much for that. Temiyen, is that? Temiyen is the class president. She has been acting as a class president for the past 3 days. What have you learned in this program that has made you wiser?
Thank you very much for that. In the past 3 days, we've been talking about leadership. I've learned so much. For me, what I've learned is that a leader must have a vision. A leader must learn to leave his footprints even after he or she has left the organization. I have learned that I want to be a better person and have to impact on my teammates. I have to build teams. That's what I've learned.
Okay, Temiyen is from Skybank.
Yes.
Okay, the representative of Skybank. You are first, you are Mr. Solomon.
Yeah.
Okay, you are from First Registrars or representative of First Registrars. This is for you. What have you learned that have made you uncomfortable about the way you have been leading?
Thank you very much. For the past 3 days, I have learned that I really need to work the way I relate with my colleagues in the office. I shouldn't be a boss to them. Rather, I should carry them along as my colleagues and be focused and tell them information, give them information about where we are going and what we want, what we intend to achieve. Information is key in our performance. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much. And Wumi is also of the First Registrars. Wumi, have you attended this program for the past 3 days? What are you going to be doing differently?
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Paul. I think I've really learned a lot during this 3 days program. It's just like an eye opener for some of us. Of course, we've been in the leading team for quite a while in the office, but there are some things that we're not doing right, and I feel I've taken some here that I'm going to take back. Take for instance, we need to be in accordance with one another and make sure that our aim and our goal in the branch is to make a result.
So focus on result, very critical leadership. Okay. Let me look at which left? Mujid. Okay. Have you attended this program, Mujid? What are you going to start doing going forward?
Thank you very much, I appreciate it. For the past 3 days, my own philosophy or my own thinking before now is that learning is a continuous exercise. When I came in on Monday, that's why I told myself that I'm here to learn new things that probably have not been, probably I was not aware of before. And thank God I'm able to achieve that by resuming tomorrow Before now, those information that probably reside only on my desk after my supervisor, I have the belief that I should share such information with my colleagues too, regardless of the level, so that all of us can work together and achieve results.
Okay, Mojit is from Skybank.
Yes.
Skybank. Okay, let me go back to CSCS. That's Mr. Labi.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Labi. What are you going to stop doing having attended this program?
Yes, there are a couple of things, but I'm just going to mention two of them. One, being a research and strategy person, I always like to be lonely, to do my thing on my own. But I think it's high time I change that. I think I need to reach out to people, reach out to senior colleagues, reach out to junior ones more than before I came here on Monday. So that is one. Then secondly, I think personally, I have a vision for my department since I joined. I was just confirmed last month anyway. I joined 6 months ago. So I have a couple of vision for the department. Okay, I want to do this and this in place. But I only put that in my diary and my subconscious. But I think it's high time I discuss with everybody in the team so that we can, if they have superior ones, they have superior vision or superior plans for the team, we can marry everything together and move forward.
Thank you very, very much for that. Yes. Adekoya, your grandfather was a chief, so you answered the last question. Chief Adekoya, in trying to summarize what we have done so far the past 3 days, was this training worth the trouble?
Yes, it was. I'm sure, of course, from the testimony of my colleagues, we all see the worth and the quality and the effect, the impact on every one of us. And even the organization that sent us here, I think when we get back, we fulfill the impact. Then, more importantly, our team members, I'm sure from tomorrow, we'll start feeling the impact. We'll see the difference between their former leader and their leader from tomorrow. Of course, some of all these things that we're discussing, and now we put them in places and we'll see the positive change in every one of us. So I can really say that it's very, very impactful, both for us as a person and for our organization. Because one of the things we are taking out of this thing, they are not only meant for our organization, they are meant for us too as a person. That will be as we advance in our own various careers.
Thank you very, very much. Deko is also of the Skybank.
Yes.
And the pleasure speaking with all of you. And as good ambassadors, ambassadors of your organizations, ambassadors of musician and talent, as alumni members, we expect you to not only talk the talk, but walk the walk. Because at the end of it all, leadership is about achieving results, leaving a legacy, leaving footprints on the sands of time. So it has been nice talking with you. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much,
Thank you, sir.
sir.